At every election in Nigeria, zoning becomes an issue delicate enough to compromise electoral chances. The Anambra Governorship election scheduled for November 2021 inches closer, and political parties are already taking positions. The All Progressives Grand Alliance APGA is not in any difficulty in continuing with the zoning principle which it adopted in 2013. That clearly is its ideological bent. For the People's Democratic Party, PDP, there are mixed positions. While some scattered opinion molders are agreeable to zoning, the PDP National Working Committee endorsed the resolution of key players of the party in Anambra State and the Southeast region. By that singular decision, the PDP is not disposed to denying any qualified member the opportunity to aspire. It has also made it absolutely clear that the zoning principle will not be applied in the party's qualification for the primaries. Certainly, there is some wisdom in this decision. Matter-of-factly, zoning as a factor denies a political party the opportunity to field the best of its candidates, and in this case, it would circumscribe the chances of the PDP in Anambra State. The ultimate target of the party is to win the governorship election, which by every consideration can be achieved by credible candidates who can boast of impeccable political acumen. This decision of the party cannot be faulted in a hurry, as it has been clearly proven that any action to the contrary will almost amount to compromising its chances at the polls. There appears to be grand swell of opposition to the very resolute decision to allow every qualified candidate to aspire. This should not come as a surprise because noises of dissent are never in short supply in political parties. In well-informed democracies, zoning in whatever classification deprives the party of the opportunity to put forward the best candidate for any contest. If microzoning is allowed, it begins to extend to other levels, and in this case, there would be the tendency to narrow it to a local government which will impliedly circumscribe the political calculations and the chances. Besides, zoning in whatever form will exclude a long list of qualified people available to the PDP in Anambra State. It is noticeable that the PDP never adopted zoning in previous elections in Anambra State, and it has made it abundantly clear that it will not depart from this tradition. For the clear reason that zoning will not serve the best interest of all members of the party, political wisdom demands that the PDP should provide a level playing field to enable a more competent candidate to emerge at a transparent primary. What should be the paramount is the PDP's determination to win the November election, and certainly not with any zoning sentiment.